So I spent almost $1,900 on gold. One gold bar. And this is 1 ounce gold bar. So if you're wondering what it looks like to buy almost $2,000 worth of gold in one piece, now we're gonna find out. Why I'm not wearing gloves? Because usually this thing is pretty protected inside this layer casings, and the casing has this kind of film on it. So this is my first 1 ounce gold bar. This cost $1,900, almost a little bit less, but yeah, this is Perth 1 ounce. It's hefty. I had one coin that I paid $1,100 back in the day, maybe 5 years ago. Now gold per ounce cost $1,800, so I made $700 if I go sell. Pretty awesome. Where to buy this stuff? A lot of people always ask me. You can buy them on eBay, you can buy them websites, but the gun shows sometimes have really good deals. I always go to the gun show and look for a dealer who sells gold and silver. They have some really cool stuff, vintage ones too. So yeah, gun shows where you can buy very unique items as well. 99.99% pure gold, 1 ounce. That's beautiful. So hefty. The Perth Mint, Australia. The Perth Mint Temper Evidence Case. Also, look how skinny it is too. And there's a serial number, everything about it. This is 31.107 grams. Beautiful. Also, $1,900 will buy you 1 ounce of gold bar, and right here 100 ounces of silver. And for this I paid $2,100. Look how shiny silver is. Wow, that's beautiful. Catching light so good. And there is 3 more cases just like that. Or you can buy one piece of gold that is only 1 ounce. So a lot easier to store versus this stuff, carry it around, move it around, stuff like that. But everybody knows you wanna diversify your investment or collection. You know, I kinda like it, calling it more like a collection, not really so much investment, because it doesn't really makes you money, you just bottle in the inflation, that's it. So it's like a little savings account collection. Boom. Probably gonna sell half of it pretty soon because I'm buying this stuff mostly for the videos.